When I was younger, I wanted to originally be an architect because I wanted to improve life. The reality that I realized is that I didn't care so much about the structure, the building, the home. What I really wanted to do was improve life in the way that it's connected to our environment and into our landscape, getting people outside, getting people reconnected with nature. With the landscape, it's very much focused one person at a time. The retail side offers us the ability to reach multiple people on multiple different occasions for multiple different purposes, really. A big reason that I wanted to start Garden 17 was creating that sense of community. I want customers to be able to enter our space and feel comfortable.
It's so beyond different than a standard garden center. If we don't know an answer, we're going to find out for you. You're not going to go home wondering, is this the right plant for me? Is this the right plant for my area?
We also have a staff of employees that are incredibly excited about what they do.
So excited to show you what we got.
I think that very clearly translates into engaging with the community.
I get to wake up every morning knowing that I get to be around plants, and I don't think there's a better way to wake up. The environment is great. The people that come in here are so kind.
At our core, we are still native through and through. Our palette of native plant material, our native selection, as well as our wide tropical and indoor plant selection. We embraced the multiple different types of people that creates Austin and brought in just a dabbling of each individual style. And so it became a space where anybody could find something for them.
And I came across this quote by Audrey Hepburn: "To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow."
I found gardening a few years ago when I was in a dark place, and every time I saw that seed pop up out of the ground, I grew with it.
Plants in my everyday life are important to me. They're a bit like free therapy. It's very calming, it's peaceful. It makes a home feel like a home.
To have some hope, to plant a garden, to invest into the space around you, believing that there's going to be a tomorrow, believing that there's going to be a future to invest in.
The industry itself is all about adapting and all about change. It's the same way it goes for people, right? How are you treating your plant that the other customer might not be? And it's always moving forward.